Alright, hello guys, welcome back here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your voice sound like Darth Vader. So first of all, I'm gonna go to Google here, if you don't have it, but if you already have it, you can, well, just skip this step, just like skip the video, yeah. So just search Audacity, here, Audacity. Click on the first link here, right here. Here, audacityteam.org, right there. In here, you can just download it right there, or whatever. Yeah, you can just download it on this website. And once you, and I'm not gonna download this because I already have it on my PC. So, well, I'm gonna skip this step. Yeah. I'll just go on Audacity. I'm gonna just go on Audacity right there. Yeah, and this is Audacity 2.1.3. And first of all, I'm gonna record your sound first. What does Darth Vader well, usually say? Luke, I am your father. Well, that's pretty good. That's fine. And first, you're gonna select this part right there. You can see how they sound. See, it's the background noise. The background noise is pretty annoying. So that's why now I'm going to remove that. So press here. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction, get Noise Profile, and now select the whole thing. Remember the whole thing, the whole recording. Effect, no, once again Noise Reduction, reduce noise, right there. I just click OK. Okay. Now let's listen again. See, well, this is the one. Alright, so this is very fine. This is good. The background noise has been removed. Now we're going to go to the main step. So we'll effect. Well, first of all, we're going to make it louder. It's not very loud. Amplify. Okay. Luke, I am your father. And this step, it depends on you. You can see if the background noise, once you amplify it, the background noise is going to be like that. Or you just, well, once again, noise reduction, and okay. Now it's fine. It's working pretty fine. Here again, and we want to, well, let's go. Now, we're gonna go to Effects, change pitch. Yeah, change pitch. This stage, it depends on, well, how deep or how high your voice is. If your voice is high, then you might want to go to 30 or maybe more. If your voice is very high, but well, if you're girl, it might be like this. And so I've already done this many times, so I know my numbers. -20. Okay. And here, let's hear it again. I am your father. Well, see, that's worked pretty fine. I am your father. And but well, now we're gonna add some echo. So effects, go to echo, delay time seconds. So now this number, you guys are gonna have to remember all this number. Only two numbers. 0.005 and decay factor 0.5. Press OK, and let's hear it again. I am your father. I am your father. See, oh, that sounds pretty good, and well, you're pretty much done. Now just need to, well, export audio, load file, export audio, and well, name it, save it, and well, share it to your friend. Oh, say, oh, after the Darth Vader sound. Yeah, and that's pretty much done. So, see you later in another tutorial. Bye.